In this video, I will show you how to create Ghibli image in Chatgpt. I'm sure you have been seeing a lot of videos about how you can create Ghibli image here online, so ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Whatever video I want to make in this channel right now is basically for educational purpose only. So I'm publicly saying this, that whatever video I'm creating as regards to this Ghibli image is basically for educational purpose only. So I'll be very happy if you guys can be aware of that, right? So this is our ChatGPT, and please, I'd recommend you all to upgrade, right? Upgrade your plan and get this or this, right? So I want everyone to know that, yeah, I'm currently saying this was you can make everything good and easy. So at first, if you'd love to create a Ghibli image on ChatGPT, right? This is our ChatGPT, right? So I'm gonna click on this plus icon right here. I'm gonna upload from our computer. I'm gonna go to our, I think I have some previous image right here. I'll just click on, I think this, let me see, click on this, right? Let me see, yeah. So I found the image, So what we're gonna do right now, come on here and type in please convert this to Ghibli image art, right? So this is what we're gonna click. Just click on this. Once you're done, so you're gonna wait for it to load up. So this is what we're gonna be using, right? So it's currently loading up. So we're gonna see the output, right? So I'll give it very few seconds, a few minutes for it to load up. So right now you can see this image just created, right? So look at it, please convert this to Ghibli image art. So this is the output, right, or the result. So this is basically how you can create Ghibli image in ChatGPT. Again, this video is basically for educational purpose only. I'm just doing this to share my thoughts on some things you need to know. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one. I appreciate the support.